Hi, welcome to SBL Kitchen. I'm Mukta Nagaraj. Today's recipe is lemon rasam. Let's begin with the recipe. I have boiled Toor Dal 60 ml, that is 1/4 cup. With this, I'm going to begin the seasoning for the rasam. I'm using ghee here. You can even use oil, some mustard. When it starts crackling, I'm going to add in jeera, few red chillies, few curry leaves and grounded pepper. This is sauteed well. This I'm going to add in to the cooked dal. To the cooked dal, I'm going to add in the seasoning. You can adjust the consistency of your rasam. Salt to taste. When it starts boiling, you can tear in some coriander leaves. By tearing, it leaves out more aroma. While this is boiling, squeeze in the lime. And turn off the flame. Lemon rasam is ready to eat. Please do like, share and subscribe.